Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sendil Kumar, working as a professor and head Department of Automobile Engineering at SNS College of Technology. So in this video, I am going to explain the fuel cell and its components. Let me see one by one. Actually, fuel cell is a power generating unit. It's producing electricity. That electricity is used to run the electric motor, and the power drive is taken from the electric motor and given to the wheel for mobility. See, look at this diagram. This is the sample one kind of hybrid electric fuel cell vehicle. So in this vehicle there is an IC engine. There is a fossil fuel is used for running this engine. Apart from this engine, there is an electric motor. Is an additional prime mover. So in addition to this, there is a fuel cell stack. And high pressure hydrogen tank and battery used for storing the power, and fuel cell boost converter, then power control unit. These are the key components used in the hybrid electric vehicle, especially it is also used in fuel cell vehicle. Here the hydrogen is stored into the tank. There are generally two tanks are used. One is the volume is higher, another one is smaller size. And fuel cell stack is the number of fuel cells are arranged in a particular manner and hold tightly by using the end plate. So look at this. This is the fuel cell stack. Here each fuel cell is arranged in a particular manner and covered by the end plate. Both end plate are connected by means of bolt and nut in tight manner. Here each fuel cell is separated by packing layer and membrane electrode assembly and bipolar plate. Let me see one by one in the consequent slides. So generally fuel cell components are membrane electrode assembly, gas diffusion layer, bipolar plates, and current collector compression plate. These are the key component of in the fuel cell. Here the membrane electrode assembly is a key component because the membrane catalyst contain anode and cathode plates, and diffusion media is together are merged with the electrode, that is called MEA. This is a polymer electrode membrane fuel cell. It is the core component of the fuel cell which helps to produce the electrochemical reaction needed to separate the electrons. So look at this diagram. Here the catalyst A and the membrane is mentioned here as B. These catalyst and membrane are covered with a gas diffusion layer, and this gas diffusion layer are both right side and left side are covered with a sealing materials. And coming to the next one is bipolar plate. It is used to separate the fuel cells in the fuel cell stack and also used to distribute the fuel gas as hydrogen is generally used in it depends upon the fuel cell. Generally fuels hydrogen is used. It distributes the hydrogen and air to the fuel cell according to the requirement, and it is also to conduct the electrical current from cell to cell and to remove the heat from activate area, because while electricity produced in the fuel cell, there is a enormous heat is generated that should be dissipated for maintaining the material property, or otherwise the fuel cell performance is getting reduced. And it is also prevent the leakage of gases and coolants. And coming to this types of bipolar plate, here the arrangement of fuels are in a different manner. Let us see here in the diagram A, the fuel or air is supplied in top left and it's leave from bottom left. In the figure B, it's supplied at the bottom right left and moves from the top right. Another C and D is also the different kind of arrangement of the fuel flow. And the current collector is used to collect the current. Generally it is coated with a gold coated. The gold plating provides a corrosion protection and produce a good electrical contact with the graphite separator plate. And compression plate is generally used to hold the fuel cell stack tightly by means of bolt and nut. Each compression plate, both the right side and left side compression plate are connected or a tight hold with a bolt and nut. Thereby it compresses the fuel cells together to maintain effective seals and electrical contacts between the components. Thank you for watching this video.